In this video, I'll show you how to input the paper in your Canon MAXIFY MB2720. So let's get started. You're gonna go in the front of the printer and you're gonna notice there is two different paper drawers, number 1 and number 2. Together, they can contain 500 sheets of paper maximum, 250 each. So let's start with the number 1, okay? This is how it is. Simply put your fingers here, pull out the drawer completely. If it's the first time you're using it, you're gonna notice there's something here. You simply need to detach it. And now it really depends what kind of paper you want to use. This is US letter size. I'm pretty sure 99% of people will simply use this one. What you need to do now is to extend this drawer. You see over here, press and pull this black, you see, just like that, this black part. And then we have to adjust this small plastic grating over here. You have all the sizes that this drawer accepts. So you have LGL for legal, A4, LTR, this is for letter size, B5 and other ones. Simply move this, and if you want to input letter size like I do, make sure that it's right beside LTR. Now you simply have to take your stack of paper and just put it over here like that. On the side, you're gonna notice there is a line with 3 triangles. This means you should never go above this line. Don't fill it more than it can handle. Once you're done, simply slide this drawer back. Okay, and you're gonna notice it stops over here. This is because if you're using letter size paper or legal size paper, the drawer will stick out. Same thing with the drawer number 2. So just put your hand here, pull it out. And it's absolutely the same concept. You can extend it if you want by pressing here and pulling. Okay. And then adjust this small plastic guide so it's right beside LTR if you want to print on letter size paper. Put your paper and glide it back. You can also pull this small cover above the first drawer in case, you know, so it looks better, so you don't see the paper. Once you have put your paper, if your printer is turned on, because you can do this with the printer turned off without any issues, on the screen over here, it will ask you to confirm the size of the paper you have input. Do that and this will be it. Thanks for watching. If you want to get paper for your printer, I'll put links down below towards Amazon. You support my channel this way. Comment, like, and I'll see you in the next video.